Welcome back, everyone. Now, I just want to say this is going to be a bit of a different video. As you can tell from the title, we are going to be trying to make a animation in less than an hour. Now, that's all well and good, but I'm not really good at animating. I've been practicing a little bit recently. I'm not going to share those because those are for like a project I'm working on in the future. But right now, we're going to be making an eyeball. Why an eyeball? Because I really want to maximize on how much revenue I can make off of this video. Now, not really, but this the eyeball is going to be for another video I'm making where I'm going to be making a kind of GIF video art. It's gonna, I don't know how to explain it, but it's gonna be something different. So I hope you guys enjoy the visuals. The visual of an eye being created. Fucking Christ. Anyways, hope y'all enjoy, and we'll be back at the end of the video.
Set the phasers to ride. What has got you distraught? It's negative attention at best, but call it nothing. Maybe something, a little bit, maybe something. It's all about ascension, I guess. Don't put me to rest. Go on and hand me a close. Take a picture or two. I can see you. Tears falling down at the party. Saddest little baby in the room. Fears tell me fears, don't get me started. I got a little gray hair for every scare you share. Those aren't meant to bend. No, those aren't meant to bend. Those aren't meant to bend. No, those aren't meant to bend. I hear those eyes and I see those cries. I hear those eyes and I see those cries. I can't be the only one who hears you. Tears falling down at the party. Saddest little baby in the room. Fears tell me fears, don't get me started. I got a little gray hair for every scare you share. Those aren't meant to bend. No, those aren't meant to bend. Those aren't meant to bend. No, those aren't meant to bend. Tears falling down at the party. Saddest little baby in my eye. Fears tell me fears, don't get me started. I might die.
Now, as far as a full finished animation goes, I am really proud of how this came out. And that's not really saying a lot because all I made was a fucking eye tearing up. It's a start. You never know where this goes from. So I'd like to thank y'all for watching, and I'd also like to thank the amazing Casso for providing music. Her channel will be linked in the description down below. She makes good covers. Yeah. So I'll catch you on the flip side, guys. You have a good day. Depending on what time of day you're watching this, night or day, it doesn't matter. Have a fun time. I need more alcohol.